How many people you know can pull up in a Cutlass and leave it sitting beside a helicopter? You feel me? I'm just playing, I'm tripping, but we got that out there. We about to put the Cutlass in there and twinkle with the motor a little bit, but this is what he had in his barn, man. That's crazy, right? That's what he coming down on. That's right. I might be getting that. That might be the new bike hauler right there. Old dually with the 454 in it. I'll let y'all know real soon. I'll get back with y'all later, man. But this is what I'm on today, man. I might be in a helicopter, man. I'll let y'all know.